Good morning. This is the one and only Marcel Hall. This is Amtrak 5, the California Zephyr on its way to Henryville. A Union Pacific Helper 6745 is leading on the point. A Phase 7 is tailing behind. Amtrak, California Zephyr number 5. Y'all on YouTube, have a safe trip. Alright folks, taking that train on its way to Henryville. Heads up to Isaac Hempwood, heads up to Altogamini. And shout out to that Michael guy that caught this train yesterday at Colorado, out of the Moffett Tunnel. So I am Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.